In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy mutual funds on Charles Schwab. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is go to the Charles Schwab website, and then once you sign into your account, you want to first click on Trade, which is the second option up here. And once you click that, you want to go over here, so this menu will open up, and you want to basically click on Mutual Funds over here. So click on Mutual Funds, and where this will actually take you is inside over here, where you can see everything regarding your mutual funds. Now, in here, you first have to select your account. So this is, let me do this again, there we go. This is your account. Over here, you can just click on it over on this arrow, and then you'll be able to select which account you want to use to buy it. After you do that, you'll have to basically select the symbol and the strategy over here, so whichever one you want to do. For example, this one over here, this one, this one, this one. Of course, you can select whichever one you want. If you know the symbol, simply type that in. If you don't, of course, you can just Google that or check it on here on Charles Schwab and then put in the symbol. After you do that, you'll see another page, which is like this. So over here, as an example, we have the SFLNX over here selected, as you can see. And then strategy is going to be mutual fund over here. So after that, the next step will be to simply click on select action. So it says action over here. You have to select an action. And then once you click on that, you will have to select the buy. Once you select buy over here, this is how it's going to look like. So it will say buy over here. And then you will have to set the amount in dollars. So currently it's $1. You can set, of course, as much as you want, but the minimum is $1. Of course, you can also select the reinvesting settings over here. You can basically have dividends and capital gains or capital gains only. So these two options over here, they're up to you. You can do either this one over here or this one. It's up to you what you want to do. After you do that, and after you set everything, you'll see this green button at the very bottom over here. It says review order, and then once you click on that, basically your order summary will show up on your screen. And once the order summary shows up, if everything looks good and you want to actually place the order, at the bottom right at this exact same page over here, you'll see that it's gonna say place order like this, and you simply want to click on that and your order will be placed. You've successfully bought a mutual fund. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.